a shop in Kalasyaw.
Hi guys, so I just went to the Bayan Ba.
Yes, Bayan here in our province.
And I got some items too. So the first one I got here is a notebook. It's pretty. It said girls must have items. Enjoy. I looked at this one.
Show the page.
This is the first page. It's like a school notebook, but too bad I'm using it for the pages are like this, just plain. Yeah. And next, I have some Hello Kitty wipes. I love Hello Kitty. Not that scary. Next is some whiteboard markers because we run out.
And we use that for practicing and reading.
Next, my mom bought this to make some cakes.
Pancakes. Banana cakes.
Next, some clips. It's pretty. It's like Bane from Cherry on top.
Show to them properly.
They're smiley faces.
And it's affordable.
I don't know how much.
I know, 30 pesos. And
Next, we have billionaire clips because she is like billionaire.
yeah, ganda.
Next is face mask because I have Ubo and Supon. Next is tape. I buy this.
Daddy.
Oh my god. Next, I buy this for my Lego. An eraser. It's a star shape. Next, I got some food. First is pancakes. I'm addicted to pancakes. Pancakes. They're delicious. Next is Meggi. I love Meggi. I eat this every day.
Every day.
And every hour. I'm addicted. I also got the Star
But not the
time.
paper.
Next is cheese curls. I love cheese curls. They're cheesy. This is flying away. Okay. Next is cheesy. They're kind of similar. This is like Cheetos. Next is the cheesy but spicy. This one is not spicy. This is cheese. And this is spicy and also cheese. Next is this is also my favorite. It's like Pringles, but a different. And I ate ice cream.
And it's finished. And some juice, but it's on the fridge.
Yeah, some juice, but it's on the fridge. So, yeah. Bye, everyone. See you later. Sa puso isipan, ito ay mahal ko. Sa salitang mabuhay, manitim, tunay. Sa salitang salamat, pusong may galang at gilang higit. Kung hindi kayo maaga, sa araw at gawa. Sa paralan, sa tahanan, sa kaibigan o magulang, wika'y tulad pagkakalan. Ito ang aking pagkatanan. Tatak ng lahi kaymanan. And my other classmates are saying, Tagalog. Okay, I forgot the rest, but I am Pangpangan. Kapangpangan. At maraming bang iba. Lahat ay maga sa buwan ng wika. Ating pagdiwa ang saring ating ipagmalaking ng busang. Wika ko, lakas ko. Sandan mo sa mundo, ako'y Pilipino. Taas noo, sa wika tiyaw magkaisa tayo. I'm hugging my classmate, okay? there. Guys, we forgot to vlog a little bit.
We're preparing for...
Why now we got?
Yes. Oh, I'm not done. Don't touch it. And band her
I'm just
hair.
playing with her.
And here's Marquisha's attire. Barot
Whoa!
Sana.
My Filipinos are wearing that in the old time for the
Ano
Bahay.
i-perform yun na sa bayang pagbigkas?
Hindi ka kalakas ka.
Watch you guys later.
That might the background nice and it's just my electric.
I'm fixing her hair. Inanda naka-band yung hair nila. Kasi ayaw ng teacher niya. Hindi nakagurong ang hair nila. Kailangan malinis. Para it's not disturbing.
You can guys have a weapon. Where's your weapon?
Morning guys. Hindi pa ako nag-aayos. Para mabilis naman mag-fix si Mommy. Mommies are mabilis kumilos. We have to manage our time.
My hair looks weird.
We need to secure with bobby pins. Kasi makapal ang hair ni Marquisha. Can I have one? Matusok mata mo.
I have a mustache.
Makapal ang buhok ni Marquisha eh. Ilan na gamit natin? 6.
What's on your mustache? I don't know.
Isa.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, 6.
Yeah. Go.
I'm not good at Filipino, guys.
Buwan ng weekend, di ka marunong mag-Tagalog. Pagalitan ka ng fans mo.
I'm
Just naman, maganda
Mama,
yan
can I
din.
put my...
Gain ng confident. That kanina mo sinabi. Ay, magbabandana ka na kay. No need. Magbabandana ka. Yung nasa ulo, yung handkerchief. Okay, see you later guys. Mag-base lang po siya. Bye-bye. See you later.
I'm not wearing my hat yet.
It's called Barot Saya.
I'm wearing my hat.
And then see, outfit check. Our camera is not giving. Against the light tayo na. Doon tayo sa labas. Ayan, sorry guys. Outfit check. Nakaba ng kanyang hair. Suit niya ang Barot Saya. Yung kanyang bandana sa bag. May na isuot. And she's wearing light makeup. Show to them. Tada! And she's wearing a heels. Cinderella heels with glass. Show your heels. Ooh. Ganda.
Outfit check. Do it, mommy. 360. 360. Slay. I'm a bad cameraman. I'm a bad cameraman, guys.
For exposed.
My mom got some shoes, a hair.
I got the shoes.
She's also got some makeup on.
Yeah, ikot ka, ikot.
May ba magsupin?
At para naman sa ikatlong baita, ang nakatanggap ng unang gantimpala ay si Marquisha Sophia G. Consolacion. Marquisha Sophia G. Consolacion. At para naman sa Sige po ang unang gantimpala. Maliit ang bati sa mga nakilahok at sa mga nagsikapwaki.
Pagod. Keisha's eating. What you're eating? Keisha's having lunch. But the kid is showing.
So dry.
So the kid wants to hear his face. Ang kid na siya. Ay, naku, wala pang lasa. You need to put syrup. Put the syrup first. Put the syrup.
That's why it's so sweet.
Huh?
That's why it's so sweet.
Sweet, huh? Are you sure? No, it's not. It's acid.
Mine is so sweet. Mine is acid.
Are you sure, Anna? Thanks.
No? Then, mix mo muna na.
Very red.
I was there in the face.
Masyado ba?
Get a tissue for me.
That's where I will eat it.
Hindi na kaya. Sobrang bilis na din yung ano niya. Sobrang bilis na.
I put first muna. Then I got. Ito ba sa akin? Why there? Sabi. Uy, nalo ko na.
Mother can make chicken.
Apa ya? Smile. Iya. Kita coba. Tinggal mo sa camera. 1, 2, 3. One more. Ay.
Well, kay mami na.
chessboard. Ikot ka lang section by section so you can check. So you go there. Don't be scared. I'm your cameraman. Go. And girl stuff na section. Doon yung stuff toy sa back. So many here pa. Oh, sige. Tingin ka lang dyan. Look around.
Daddy gave you ganito.
Heart. Big heart. Meron pa tayo dyan. Sige lang. Ikot ka pa. Next time na ganyan kalaki anak. Maano sa house natin kasi wala tayong ano. Wala tayong air humidifier.
This is you and Daddy.
Yes.
The section where you go.
Yes.
What kind of place is that?
Huh?
What kind of place is that? It's kind of like a rift. These are adorable, but they say it's
Daming boxes. I think they're going to refill new toys.
I think
For para sa kids din. Oh, this one po yan.
Ito yung toys mo before nako. Naalala mo? Ganda rin, no? Nako. Ganda kayo. Ganda.
Oh, choose ano pa. Kung may pagpilian ka.
Oo.
Pero we're gonna buy this one.
One of the options.
Yeah.
Sige na, go lang.
give you for a guide. Oh, yes. That is fun.
Clay na may glitters.
Oh, what happened?
Someone's
Oh, what are you?
Go.
What one should I pick? 9.99. That's a 40. Which one looks good for me?
Baka diapers.
What's this one? Raise the I don't like the word milkshake when it sounds so weird.
Oh, yun na. Sige, 1 token lang. Try a different one. Daddy, alalayan mo. Si Daddy, si Daddy. Hanap kayong puno yung spot. Puno. Alay! Long press mo na. You're almost there. Go, 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 go. Go! Long, go! Long press mo na. Long press. Long press yun. Long press mo siya na. Sige, long press. Sige. Sige. Long press mo na. Long press. Long press. Ay, wala sa gitna na. Bibigay daw niya kay teacher. Dali, long press mo na ka. Malayo, malayo. Yan. Long press, long press. Long.
Go, Mommy. Get that girl. We need this for teacher.
Go, Mommy. Come on.
Sige na, Lord.
Daddy.
Gawin mo na.
Bibigay daw niya kay teacher eh. Bigay niya. Sige, long press mo, Daddy. Mas maganda yun na. So, mo for teacher, Syra. Dali. Mas matagal doon na. Last. Please, for teacher, Syra. Please, please, please. For teacher, Syra. Sige lang. Last. Let's give a last chance. Maganda yung pindot mo kanina. Nilo-long press mo na.
I'm done with my program and I went to CSI. I'm going to show you what I got. So the first thing I got is this one, book, but I used this for drawing. Yeah, it's good. This is the pages. Just playing.
Marquisha loves to draw and making
Let's
notes.
just play. I like playing.
Ngayon lang nakita, air dry clay light. Show
What's
to
air
them.
dry? What does it mean, air dry?
Di ba, unlike the regular clay, parang masyadong sticky, moist. Ito parang ano siya, oh,
So,
matte finish.
next,
Ayan
I
siya,
got
guys.
this little guy.
And what's the funny thing, early in the cashier?
It was 99 pesos, but the price is actually 400.
400 plus.
okay.
But it's an
We
error
have
lang.
enough
But
money.
it's okay. It's 99. They correct the price.
I like, this is so cute.
Mm-mm.
I like this one.
Pero kung 400 yan, di ko bibili yan.
Next, I got this little
Yeah.
book.
What brand is that? What brand name?
Faber Faber-Castell.
Faber-Castell. Maganda yun eh. It's marker. Marquisha love it. Next time bilhin natin yung set.
I got some color pens. These are really affordable. There's 24 pieces and it's just 47 pesos.
Can I see?
I was
Yeah.
supposed to get the other one, 18 pieces. It's like 107 or 108. But this one is more better because there's many here and so affordable.
Yeah. And let's see kung maganda rin ba siya. Bumili muna kami ng affordable.
Next, I got some gray tree paper in case I run out.
Sorry for my camera. Nabagsak ko to eh.
And also, I got some popcorn.
What flavor?
It's cheese. I like cheese.
For our movie time later. And show your award. Ayan sa bag sa cinnamon.
Also, their spelling of my family name is wrong. It's concentration.
It's Consensya. Ano yun?
It's wrong spelling.
Constellation. Marquisha is Consensino. But yeah, but they say sorry naman. What award you had?
Drawing the best Philippine flag.
Yeah, she won first place. Unang gantimpala para sa pagguhit ng watawat ng Pilipinas. Pero yung watawat na kay teacher yung drawing niya. And insert na lang namin if I had the chance to have the photo of the flag.
So that's all, guys. See you later.
Congratulations!